This is a hair color correction session. The client waited too long between bleach touch-ups and experienced breakage in the upper and lower back areas. We're going to bleach her using bond protectors and bond multipliers. We're going to tone her, and we're going to finish with a keratin smoothing treatment for a silky smooth finish. You'll see. This client's natural hair color level is 1, black. Each individual hair strand is fine, that's the diameter, and her density, that's how many hairs per square inch, is super dense. I had to mix 3 different bowls of bleach because her hair absorbs so much bleach product, and we added Olaplex number 1 to each bowl of bleach. I processed her new growth a full 45 minutes, rinsed with cool water, shampooed, and applied the Olaplex number 2. That's what she has on her hair right now to complete the bonding process. I would never bleach a client's hair without having bond protectors and bond multipliers and a little bit of keratin to add for what we deplete during the bleaching process. Within the hair strand, the bleach goes through the cuticle layers into the cortex to eliminate pigments. That's what's going on. But what happens is the pigments and the keratin and the lipids, they're all intertwined. So when the bleach goes in there to eliminate the pigments, it also eliminates keratin. So that's why I always add keratin to my client's hair that I bleach. Now, this is the hair blown out in preparation for the smoothing from the keratin treatment. And this is the hair, it's been keratinized. I was going through my steps and I was already applying the toner, and I was like, oh wait, I gotta take a picture of this. So the hair has been smoothed. She has that kind of keratin treatment, and this is the final look. Ooh, amazing. Don't you want it? Don't you want to learn how to do it? So we do it all here at beautywellnesshaircare.com. You can get your hair done, you can learn how to do your client's hair, and you can buy the products from us. Just go to our website at beautywellnesshaircare.com. We have videos you can rent and learn how to do hair color. We have the actual hair color you can buy.